Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here with me today. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love food, I love to cook, and now that I'm pregnant, I'm currently in my second trimester, I'm even hungrier. So I thought it would be nice just to bring you along while I cook my dinner actually. It's a chicken rice veggie soup that I will make in the slow cooker. And so here we have some grain-fed chicken thighs. It's locally in Quebec. I actually know where this farm is, so I trust that it's good. I went to the farmer's market last weekend, so I got some onions, garlic. The garlic from Quebec is like very intense, so yeah, I always try. I would put like 6 of them, but I will only put 4. I have some carrots, beautiful celery, some parsley, and here I have a mix of spices and herbs, so grounded turmeric, paprika, oregano, parsley, basil, salt, and pepper. I just like did my mix. I don't really have like a full-on recipe for this. I got inspired by Health Nut Nutrition. I will leave her video of where I got inspired to cook this in the description box. Oh, and just a side note, I already pre-washed all my veggies, so I just need to chop them off. Garlic, this is a little trick of mine. I just press with like the palm of my hands, the palm of my hand here, and so the peel is easier to take off. I do have a garlic crusher, but when the peel stays on, I really have a hard time to crush my garlic. My husband was like, "What are you doing?" I forgot to mention that I'm adding a grated ginger. I forgot to show it at the beginning. But it's really great, it's anti-inflammatory, it boosts the immune system. Now that fall is finally arriving, and September as well, I try to boost my immune system because I'm very prone to colds and to getting sick. And you know, being pregnant, I don't want this to happen, so I try to boost my immune system as soon as I can. I'm going to add the chicken thighs into the mix. I don't know if 2 packages will be enough. I hope so. Yes, I had 4 packages, but I'm only going to add 2 of those because I think it will be enough. I'm going to add the spices. And some water until it covers everything. Look at that. I'm going to put on the lid. It will cook on high for around 4 to 5 hours. Let's see how it goes. So a few hours later, it's like 3 p.m. The chicken isn't like fully cooked yet, but I still decided to pull it, and then we will add this to the soup. I already added the rice as well. So as you can see, I added the rice already, and I will add the chicken. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so sorry about that. Just like mixing it up a little. Okay, so I will finish stirring the soup and like just mixing everything together, put on the lid, and let it simmer until dinner time, which will be around 6 p.m. It's 3:30 now. I'm already so hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a snack also. So it is now around 6:30, the soup is ready. I let it cool down a little bit because it was way too hot. It looks delicious, so thank you to Nicole from Health and Nutrition. This wasn't like a sponsor or collab or anything. I just saw her what I eat in a day, 2nd trimester pregnancy this morning, and like I just craved the soup that she was making. So I'm gonna show you. There you go. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it looks a bit like a big blob of like white nothing because of the rice and the chicken, but it's really good. Let's taste it. Well, I already tasted it, but let's retaste it for you guys. Really delicious. Perfect for those fall vibes, and also like my stomach has been more sensitive these days, digestion slower, so all I want to eat in the evening are like comfy fall style foods but with a ton of veggies, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I'm gonna end the video here and enjoy this wonderful soup. Thank you guys for cooking with me. It was really fun. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Don't forget also to subscribe, hitting the red button below and tap the little bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!